Hi, today we are going to make candle stand. You can see the all throwing objects are with me, like mineral water bottle. This is one piece of one polymer for the base, glue, fabric color, marker pen, brush, knife and scissor, tissue papers also. Now we will cut this water bottle from this top portion. You can see we will take three size of water bottle. Okay, one is bigger, one is little bit smaller, another one will take it bit more smaller. Now you see we have to cut it. First, if you put little bit pressure, it will cut it. Now very slowly, as per the design of any mineral water bottle, you can cut it. After cutting the upper portion we can use as a candle stand. You can see. Now we have to apply some glue the bottom of this container or portion to fix on it. Understood? Take some glue and paste it. Okay. Now it is the time to apply some adhesive glue with this and pasting of some tissue papers. Now, after the applying of tissue papers on this base, we will keep it inside, let it dry. Here you can see three bottles. You can see the upper and lower portion, we just removed it. Upper portion we have used it for this candle stand, and the lower portion we took out. Now it is the time to make the design on the body of this container. We will take the marker pen. Now draw some geometrical design on it and we'll cut it by the normal cutter. Suppose this type of design can be drawn. Design may be as your own choice, no problem. It may be any floral design also. If you draw any straight line design, it will give you much more comfort to cut it. Randomly you can draw it. Now we have to take this cutter. Okay, hold it, take the small amount, little amount, take out the little portion out, and now you have to cut it. First put inside this line and you can take any support inside this bottle also to give the support, otherwise it will be difficult to cut it. So first line, next put little bit pressure on this portion, on this carved portion. Here is some carve. Okay, now okay, done. Now this side. Okay, next is okay. This way you have to cut it and this portion has to take out.